Hello everyone, this is Alex. So in this video I am going to give you a quick review of 206 bones which are present in the adult human body. So to understand the or study about the 206 bones of a human, you need to know the skeletal system. What is skeletal system and what it is deals with. Okay, skeletal system is nothing but it deals with the bones and joints. Okay, in the human body, skeletal system is divided into two main parts. Okay, that is, one is axial skeletal system, axial, and another is appendicular skeletal system. Okay, axial skeletal system, appendicular skeletal system. Axial skeletal system is consisting of the bones which are present in the central part of the body, which is the medial portion of the body. So there are 80 bones. Okay, under the axial skeletal system it is dealing with the 80 bones. Appendicular skeletal system is having a 126 bones. Altogether you will have a 206 bones. Okay, axial skeletal system is nothing but it deals with the bones which are present in the central part of the body. It means cranial bones, facial bones, okay, auditory ossicles, or this one rib cage, spinal cord, all these things, vertebral bones. Okay, appendicular system deals with the bones which are present in the upper limbs, lower limbs, caudal girdle and pelvic girdle. So first of all we will see one by one with the first we will deal with the axial skeletal system. Axial skeletal system. Axial skeletal system. Axial skeletal system is having total of 80 bones. What are those? We will see. First, start with the superior limbs. So, first of all, we'll start with the skull bones. Okay, there are 8 skull bones. 8 skull bones. Next, facial bones. Facial bones are 14 facial bones. Next, hyoid, 1 hyoid, skull, facial, hyoid, rib cage, okay, 24 ribs plus 1 sternum, okay, total 25, vertebral bones 26, and auditory ossicles, auditory bones which are present in the ears, auditory ossicles are, so each 6 bones will be there. Okay, this is the structure of the axial skeletal system. So this is a 80 bones which are present in the axial skeletal system. Okay, 8 skull bones, 14 facial bones, 1 hyoid bone which is present in the throat and rib cage. Okay, about the chest bones, and vertebral bones are 26 number, and auditory ossicles are 6. We will see one by one bones. Okay, skull bones again. Skull like frontal bone 1, parietal 2, temporal 2, frontal means parietal, temporal, backside occipital 1. Okay, so here 4, 6. Then sphenoid, inferiorly present, ethmoid. Okay, 1. So total 8 bones. 8 bones in the skull. Next we will see the bones which are present in the facial. Okay, facial bones, 14 facial bones. Okay, so like starting from here, so maxillary bones, 2 sides, 1, and this one zygomatic, 2 sides, 1, zygomatic, and nasal bones 2, vomer 1, inferior nasal concave 2. Okay, so related to nose, nasal bones, the bridge which is present in the two nasal bones is vomer, and inferiorly there is a inferior nasal concha. And here about lacrimal bones, lacrimal bones 2. Okay, next inside the mouth there is palatine bones, palatine bones 2, two palatine bones. Next, mandible. Okay, only movable bone in the skull, mandible bone 1. Okay, so two maxillary, one mandible, two zygomatic, two nasal bones, bridge which is present in the two nasal bones, vomer, inferior nasal concha, and lacrimal bones. Okay, next, so these are the under palatine bones. These are the bones which are coming under facial bones, 14 facial bones. Next, we will see about the hyoid. Hyoid is a U-shaped bone which is present in the neck. Okay, hyoid bone. And rib cage, 12 pairs of ribs and one sternum. Okay, rib cage is a 12 pairs of ribs, one sternum. Okay, one sternum. So this is about 25 vertebral bones. Vertebral bones again is divided into vertebral bones again cervical. Okay, C 7. Thoracic region again 12 will be there. Thoracic 12. Lumbar 5. 5 lumbar. Next, one sacrum and one coccyx. Sacrum, coccyx. Okay, so these are the 26 vertebral bones. Next, auditory ossicle, 3 bones in each ear. Auditory ossicles. What are those? Auditory ossicles. Auditory ossicles. 3 plus 3, 3 bones in each. Malleus, incus, stapes. Okay, malleus, incus, stapes. So these are the one bones which are present in each ear. So ultimately 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, so 6 bones. So these are the bones which are present in the axial skeletal system. Okay, in this what is the smallest bone which is present in the body means stapes. Okay, what is the largest means it comes in the appendicular skeletal system. Okay, so and what is the only bone movable in the skull area means this is mandible. Okay, so these are the bones coming under the axial skeletal system. Totally 80 axial skeletal bones. Axial bones are there in this axial skeletal system. 80 bones. Those are cranial, facial, hyoid, rib cage, vertebral column bones, auditory ossicles. Okay, that's it. Next we will see about the so next system is appendicular skeletal system. In the appendicular skeletal system, I told you already. So bones which are present in the upper limbs, lower limbs, shoulder girdle and pelvic girdle. So first of all, we will see the in the appendicular skeletal system. Appendicular system, upper limbs, upper limb, shoulder girdle, lower limbs, pelvic girdle. So these bones only we will discuss. So in the first we will see about the shoulder girdle. Shoulder girdle, scapula. It is consisting of scapula, two sides 1, so 2, and clavicle, collarbones. Okay, one clavicle 2, two scapulas. Okay, shoulder girdle. Next, upper limb or upper extremity, humerus, humerus 1 1 2 means 1 1 in each hand, radius 2 1 in each hand, ulna 2 1 in each hand, humerus, radius, ulna. Okay, next here carpels 16, 8 plus 8, 8 in right hand, 8 in left hand, 8 plus 8 16. Carpels, metacarpels, okay, 5 in each hand, 10, 5 plus 5. Carpels, metacarpal, phalanges 14, okay, in each hand means 28. 14 plus 14, 14 plus 14, 28. So this upper limb will have a total 60 and shoulder girdle will have total 4, equal to 64. Upper limb and shoulder girdle bones are total 64. Next, lower limb and extremities. Lower limb is having again 60 bones, pelvic girdle is 62. Total about 126 bones will come. In the appendicular system, skeletal system, we are dealing with the 126 bones. In the axial, 80 plus 126, 206 bones. Okay, so coming to the lower pelvic girdle bones. Pelvic girdle made with the 2 innominate bones. Two in pelvic bones. 2 made with the 2 bones means in the one in each side. Again pelvic girdle pelvic bone is made with the 3 innominate bones. Okay, so those things we will discuss in the later. So it means ilium, ischium, pubis will be there in the pelvic bone. Next, lower limb 60 bones, same like from here. Upper limb, femur 2, 1 plus 1, 1 in each leg. Patella, also called as a kneecap. Okay, kneecap 1 plus 1 patella. Then same like radius ulna here, tibia 2, 1 plus 1, fibula 2, 1 plus 1. Same like carpels here, tarsals, but here 16 will be there. In the tarsals only 7 plus 7, 14 will be there. Okay, 7 plus 7 tarsals 14. Next, metatarsals same like upper limb. Okay, 5 plus 5. Phalanges same like upper limb, 28. 14 plus 14. Okay, overall 60 plus 2 62. Okay, here 64 equal to 124. Okay, again axial bones how many? 80. Okay, overall 206 bones. Okay, this is about a skeletal system, and to remember a 206 bones in the human body, you need to understand these two systems, axial and appendicular skeletal system. Axial is having 80 bones, appendicular is having 126. Overall 206 bones will be presenting. Thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe.